Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily delete all your emails in Gmail. So what you want to do is when you go to the Gmail application, it's not possible to do here because if you're going to choose one email, you just need to click on all of them, and it's not that effective if you want to clean your all Gmail account. So what you want to do is just go to Chrome or your, how would I call it, your internet browser. Now what you want to do is just right here, Gmail. You need to log into your Gmail account. And then what will happen? Like if you're gonna go to Gmail, I will show you because it's already did here. You will have it like here, or you will have it in a normal mobile version. This is really important. If you're gonna have your Gmail account in a mobile version, go to plus, write Gmail onto Google, only onto Google. Now click on desktop site and click on Gmail. And now what you want to do is just click on this button here to choose all, and then you will have a trash icon here. Just click on it and you will delete all your emails. So this is how it actually works. If this video was helpful, you can support and subscribe. Of course, I'm not going to delete my emails because they're important. But yeah, this is how we do it, and it's kind of easy. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching, and see you in the next video.